Tell you, I love this. Nothing beats it. All right, next hole should be where? Probably over here. Hey, flag! We're gonna grab. You look first. Look to see where the line is. If it's angled.
It's angled.
Okay, which way?
That way.
That way. Okay, so you want to get over here.
Yep.
Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the tip up with one hand and reach down and grab the line that's coming out.
Okay.
And hold the line, but pull the tip up out.
Okay.
So don't put any line or pressure on the line. Yep. There you go. Grab the line, and here I'll grab the tip up. Yep. Okay.
Oh, there's some pressure there.
Yep. Got him? Oh!
Lost him at the hole.
What was it?
It was a pike.
Was it any size?
I don't think he was that big.
Ah!
I lost him right at the hole. Darn it.
So yeah, that's what you gotta. So one thing.
You want to scoop the little minnow?
No, it's. Oh.
Yeah. I guess he wants to be reused.
Perfect.
Lost him right at the hole.
So with that, you just gotta watch out when you bring them up. Yep. You gotta kind of. Yep. That's fine.
Okay.
You got it though.
Cool.
Little snot rocket.
Yeah. It's exciting.
Oh, sorry.
That's right.
I hit you with a tip up. Hit you with a flag.
It's okay.
Alrighty.
Cool stuff.
When there's a big one on, man, you feel it. He's like tugging at you.
Yeah.
It's awesome. All right.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Is it moving?
Yeah, there's something on here.
Something on there? Get him? Oh, perchy perch. It's going. See it? Oh! Ho-ho-ho! About an 18-inch bass. Nice bass. Check her out.
Let's see if there's anything special. I'm leaving the gloves on.
Straight down?
Yep.
What the hell? Any weight?
Oh, yeah.
Got him?
Oh, boy.
Oh, something big?
Yeah.
Okay. Just watch him with the ice. Still on there?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, nice. Sweet.
Second pike.
Nice. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, I got something big. Piker. Piker. I think I got that on camera, Dad. Oh, oh,
That
oh,
was a
oh.
good video.
What do you got there?
No, it's a perch, but...
Oh, it's a pike.
Is it?
Yep. Ha ha!
It's on video.
Is it on
You just
video?
snagged it, yeah. Hold that for me?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. I got that on tape too.
Cool.
Sweet. You need some help? Yep. Pikey.
Wow. That one's huge. Perch?
Oh, he got off, that little bastard. Almost a keeper. He might have been. I can't even see my tip-ups. It's too bright. What's that seagull doing? Oh, I have a dead minnow over there. Oh my God, he's gonna go grab it. Oh. Oh, ooh. Big old honking perch, baby. Oh, he just got off. Woohoo, baby. Don't get any better. Now we just need a 10-pound pike. These are nice right there, Dad. Another nice one. Oh, baby. Nope. Oh, yeah. Keep.
Oh, yeah.
2 in a row. Just got shot by a G.I. Joe. All right. Oh, baby, 3. Oh, he's a little bigger.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Keep doing it.
Oh my God, I just got 3. There must be the whole family right there. Wow. You got a nice one? Oh. Oh, baby. 4. Oh, not as big. Unbelievable. What the hell is going on? My bait's getting kind of beat up. One more, it'd be like sushi, like smooshy. Oh my God! Just dropped it down. Oh, he come off! What the hell? A little 1050 run right now. Oh my God! Seriously, throw me a minnow, would you, Dad? This is insane.
Wow.
Take a look at some weather data as well as some fishing bite times from the fishing apps that were shown earlier in this video. Here is the first graph. We got temperature, which is the black line, pressure, which is the red line, versus time. You'll see two arrows. First arrow is around 10 a.m. and the second arrow is around 11 a.m. Okay? And I'm going to talk about these 2 points. And also you notice in the top right of this graph is the graph for the fishing bite times for the day. We got established around 8:30, so we missed the early peak. And there is a peak at 10 a.m. according to this fishing app. And based on my data, around 10 a.m., this first arrow on the graph, we had a lot of flags around that time, from perch to pike. Okay? So that's pretty cool correlation. So I'm seeing some correlation. Now around 11 a.m., that's when I caught those back-to-back perch, those nice, decent-sized perch. And look at what happened. The temperature spiked up, pressure started going down. So something happened, which is kind of cool to see. Like there's something happened to the pressure and the temperature as well as catching fish. Pretty cool. Now, if we look at the other graph, this next graph shows relative humidity, which is the red line, and irritants, which is the black line, which kind of measures how bright it is out. So it kind of around 11 a.m. when I was getting those perch bites, it was bright out. And after 1 o'clock, it started snowing, and really, we didn't get much for bites after that. So, and I've experienced this before. Right before it starts snowing or a storm comes, the fish know, and either you catch a big fish. I've had that happen. Bass fishing, where there's a big thunderstorm coming, caught one of the biggest bass of my life, and then thunderstorm hit, and we didn't get any more bites. It's kind of what's happening, it seems like. It's bright out, it's sunny out, we caught some fish, And then as soon as it starts snowing, everything backed off. And if you look at the top right of this graph, this is the other fishing app, and the peaks for the perch are right around, 11 and 12 a.m. So around 11 a.m. when I was catching them, based on this fishing app, it had the highest percentage. That's pretty cool to see. So basically from around 10 a.m. to just under 12, that peak at 11 was our best time for catching fish, from jig poles to tip ups. Pretty cool to see. All right, thank you. And if you have anything else that you see, or if you have other ideas, please shoot them in the comments. Thank you.